be a bad boy.
Oh my goodness.
I'd rather be a bad boy.
Are we bad boys? No, we're good boys.
That's a bad boy.
No, we're good boys.
That's a good
We put out nice crispy haircuts here.
Bad boys.
How dare you speak that way?
Did you say so?
This is a
What's the one guy
this,
for
this is an outrage.
Three Stooges?
Which one?
Haircut like that? The bowl cut?
Did you like the boat?
Is that curly or
Curly, Larry, or Mo?
Mo?
Probably Mo, man.
Mo.
Dude, I'm trying. Hold
Start
on.
doing some of those.
I'm gonna cut the music back on. Just give me a second though, because I'm filming this, and I want to make sure that I don't want to hear no copyright crybabies.
I'm not a
Do you know what a copyright
crybaby.
crybaby is?
I'm not a crybaby.
No, I know you're not. But I'm
You
talking. Yeah, I guess I am being a crybaby right now. But no, I'm not talking about you or me. I'm talking about.
Tim's a crybaby.
No, he's not a crybaby. He's a grown man.
No, he is right.
Oh, here come Grandma. You started something. Here we go. Now you done it. Now you done it. Here she comes.
This handsome boy.
Oh, okay.
Is he engaged to
Accolades.
Sebastian? You awful handsome.
He want me to put a lightning bolt in his hand, but he don't want to. You know, it's one of those. You know, he got to be still. He don't want to be still.
You can't be still. Well, what, you can't just try. He'll mess it up. You gotta sit still, so.
You've been wanting it. You told all your friends. You told Braxton. So come on.
Just sit real
You
still.
told Harold and Billy and Timmy and all them.
Stand still.
And Darius?
And you told
Is
Darius.
Darius in your class?
No, Darius is a little boy.
I want you to try to let him go. I think you're ill.
Can you get one?
Slim's 5 o'clock. See him?
It would take one.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get
I
him.
am swamped. Breakfast was the cinnamon, these are the waffles or French toast. See the French toast right over there?
I like it.
I've been seeing it like people are like, I was mad with it.
It wasn't a kindergarten teacher, but now she's on 3 to 5 side. Giving such an hour. I said, so I called my friend Jen, because she's like, oh,
Like solid in college.
I was like, you're not going to talk to me.
I thought flies in our house.
Anyway.
Thanks, Jen. Just tell everybody. I don't know. I don't know where they're coming from. I really truly don't know. So,
Whoa.
Oh, I'm sorry. He started all 13 games at defensive tackle.
It's scary. Oh, you know, you're right. I forgot it was right. Yeah. We had $3 for the longest.
Well, what's up? Doing good, man. It's really- Doing good as usual.
On the first time I was there to get my hair cut.
Mhm.
I was so sad.
So what else are you going to play this weekend other than Portland?
Good. I am first grade. I was in kindergarten. I am right kindergarten. I'm right first grade.
You really want to do what I was cutting yesterday? You want me to swept up like right before you left? Yeah, real fast. Yeah. You gotta be still.
It's still buddy.
I'm like, oh, Brandon, guess what?
Did such a great job. You're so handsome.
I don't know about that part. Hit me up.
Come on, let's go.
Bye, have a great weekend.
Where you going? To the store?
I mean, I'm hungry. I want to eat.
What time are they coming?
Probably like an hour
You kidding me?
now.
I know that one.
Well, I'm almost done here. You want me to take you somewhere? Okay.
Do you want something from over there?
Yeah, I'm about to hand you the mirror, man. If I can find out. Oh, here's my mirror. Right here. Here's my
They just want to stay around like it would be like.
I love that.
That's how I feel with football. I did racing for 2 years, 3, 4, now I'm doing
Don't keep your head like, yeah. Now look.
We can't do that. We
See it? Look in the mirror.
draft.
He's like, nah, he's trying. He won't stop looking at it. Okay, if I can't find him tonight, I know where he'll be. In the back.
That's
Too late.
Jaden, that is sweet.
There's probably 7 real kids who know how to play. Right? So everybody, listen, I had 19 players.
Jay, he's good to go. He's ready for the weekend. You want the hot stuff?
I had 9 first-time players.
He can handle the hot stuff.
And you got to play 50% of the game.
All right,
You
man.
have to play these first 50% of the game. And if you don't, parents won't. You're not trying to sneak them in like 30%, 10%. No, they can count them.
Growing up, Mom.
Man.
No, a first grader and now.
First grader, boy.
Yeah.
SEC rules different. We got to
Brown.
play.